Hello from Armenia. This is Yerevan, and this is probably the last trip I will ever be on. This is like the Armenian Flatiron. Dúfam, že to nebude na copyright za tú hudbu, čo to hrajú. The sun is setting, so we might as well just go up and try to see a bit of a sunset, maybe. I wonder whether we could actually get there, because that could actually offer some nice views, but this one's also very nice.
Ja vidím hore a tam slnko zájde za oblaky, tak to na srdce. Tak ja ti vidím hore, ale to slnko tam nie je, no to môžem tak kašľať.
Tomorrow we're going to rent a car. I will see how driving in Romania. I will see how it's going to be to drive in Armenia.
Čo klesáme, keď nám vystúpať?
There's so much dust in the air, so it gets caught in my eyes. This is called Kor Virap. Alright, the car has been returned, however it's 10:34.